Apple includes Macbooks in self-service repair app. Apple announced on Monday it has expanded its self-service repair program to MacBook Air and MacBook Pro with the M1 family of chips, which means that the repair manuals, parts and tools for those gadgets will be available to the company's self-service repair store. Customers who are experienced with the complexity for repairing electronics devices will be able to complete repairs on these Mac notebooks with access to many of the same parts and tools available to Apple Store locations and Apple authorized service providers, the tech giant explained. The option will become available in the United States on August 23rd. The rental kit for those that do not want to buy tools for a single repair will offer as well for $49. Apple also announced that customers can send the parts they replace to the company for refurbishment, recycling, and thus receive credit for their next purchase. What do you think?